This is the 2.4 meter office set. So we can see this is the coffee table. Yes, on two sides you wrap the PU leather, green color. We can also match your customized color. And under this we have the solid wood legs. Yes. And this is the office table. We can see the tabletop shape is very nice and special. This is the highlight. And in the middle and the two sides we have the green PU leather. And this side, this is a simple decoration and two solid wood pillars. Yes, this is solid wood. And this is the golden edge banding. Yes. Okay, we can see the inside. This is the side table, 1 meter long. Also match the design of the office desk, the solid wood. Yes, this is solid wood pillars. And the two doors with the shelf inside. Yes. And these golden handles, especially for the executive office. So cabinet is 2.4 meter. Yes. And except this PU in the middle, we also have the very good quality aluminum frame. Yes, this aluminum material we use on the doors. So this also can use on the office table and the side table. Yes, also the handles. The whole design followed the office desk. Yes, the height is 2 meters.